So what I'm going to show you today is how to break down your broccoli. So if your broccoli looks something like this, then you've done pretty good work. You can see it's kind of starting to separate out, and so it's ready to bolt. But we actually have a good bit of broccoli, we have a good bit of leaves. Some of them, like this one, you may not want to use. Purely aesthetic, it'll work great in a soup, but it's not something you may want to put on your finished plate. So let's get rid of this guy. We have the stalk, we have our leaves here, and then we have kind of our side shoots. You want to get your bag ready because you're going to go through a lot of this really quickly. So just a quick rough chop. You can use it in roasting, you can use it in soups, you can use it in stir fries, and just really have it on hand to be able to throw it right into your finished product, or I guess your recipe at the very least. So a simple quick chop, and you can see that's pretty straightforward. Don't need to do too much to it, especially because there's no chemicals on it. There's nothing on it. There are a few bugs that are going to die off in the freezer anyway. So you might want to give it a rinse before you add it in, but that'd be the only additional processing step if you go that far. Same thing with the leaves. They're really delicious. Everywhere you would put broccoli, the leaves work great. Anything in the Nebraska family, any green that you would put, any leaves of any of the family can actually serve as a sautéable green on the side. So this is the last part, is what do you do with this beast here, this stalk. We'll take this one here and show you how it's supposed to go. So there we go. So there you go, that's the woody part. You can actually, I don't know if you can see this, but you can actually see how thick the stalk gets around the inside. So there's a green center core, but then there's the kind of brown woody part, which is what you don't want to eat. That aside, now we can actually go through and really just start to chop that guy up. And you can see it gets, this middle part is nice and tender, so it's actually not bad to cut through. And that's what you're looking for. You want that nice kind of clean cut through in order to be able to use it. Same thing, so the stalk, same thing. You really want to be able to put it into any place you can put the florets. They work great roasted. They're actually really good sauteed as well. So even if you're making a soup and in the soup base, you want to add a little more broccoli flavor, you can just dice these up a little bit and cook them just like you would the onions or celery. So that's a little segment on how to butcher a broccoli plant and save it for later. So thanks so much. Have a good day.